Hola, hi fashion doll lovers, and bienvenidos to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing something a little different. I will be taking a look at these two play sets from Five Below. Oh God, I should probably just do one at a time so you cannot see them that close. We have the Sushi Shop and the mini barbecue grill. Actually, let me go ahead and put them here. Oh wow, it's a lot lower. Okay. Stay. Okay, great. Now, I've been having my eye on these for a long time, but the Five Below by my house did not have them until recently. So I'm really excited to give these a look, check them out, and see how they work on our 1/6 scale dolls. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them off camera, and then we're gonna take a look at the items inside of each set. I probably will do them separately so we don't mix things up, and then similar to my styling videos, I'll create like a little fashion show, I'm gonna call it, because I'm gonna be lazy. But I'll just kind of give you a mini movie of my 1/6 scale dolls interacting with them. So let's go ahead and unbox the first one. Which one should I do first? You'll find out. So we have a grill. We have one plate over here. We have two, I don't know what these are called. I've never grilled a day in my life, so don't come for me. It starts with a G. Don't judge me. We have one piece of steak that was on the plate. We have a gas tank. We have one ketchup bottle. We have one mustard bottle. We have a plain hot dog. We have a hot dog bun. We have a hot dog here with like mustard on it. We have burger buns. Well, one burger bun. We have one burger. I'm assuming this red thing is tomatoes on this cheese. That is what I'm going to assume. We have a grill fork. We have a knife. We have two kebabs over here. Yep, that's about right. And we have a pair of tongs. I was like, I thought I knew the name of that. I don't know why that was. Don't mind me. Now, here is what I will say. With this particular grill, the height, obviously, it's missing a lot. But I think if we can get crafty, and I say we, like, I'm about to do something, but I'm probably not going to do it in this video. I'm going to make something makeshift to create the height. Because as of right now, it's way too low. I mean, it could be like a portable grill, but I think with a fake little cart or something, it could be at the best height for the dolls. What I would love to see is how well the utensils and the food look on the doll's hands. So I'm pretty excited to kind of lay this out in my scene that I'm creating. You know, it's a little vibe. And really hope to see what the food looks like. I'm all about the food. I don't know why the bottles seem like the perfect size, but the food, I mean, the food could be perfect size too. Mini burgers are a thing. Smaller hot dogs are a thing. But yeah, this was the mini barbecue grill set. Now let's take a look at the sushi set, which I feel has a lot more items than this one. While the screen looks like really bare with this particular set. And what's funny, I looked at the box. The barbecue grill set said it had 19 pieces. This one says it has 20. So although it appears to be a lot more, it technically supposedly isn't. Now, I wish I was counting to really see what they meant by that. But anyways, the full disclaimer, I do not eat sushi, so I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to pronounce 90% of this. But we're going to go through it. We have one pot over here. I also love that the pot is like broken down into pieces. I don't know why that took me so long. So we have like the bottom, an insert, and the lid right over here. We have one open steamer. I know that's this. I eat that a lot. One closed steamer, which is this one, and it does not open whatsoever. I tried. It's not a thing. We have two sushi platters. Would that be that and that? But isn't that sushi too? Maybe not. Maybe it's these two. Anyways, two sushi platters. We have one bowl of noodles. Would it be this, the instant noodles? Which, by the way, also does not open, but beautiful detail. Do you see that? Great little wrapper. We appreciate a good wrapper, especially on small sizes. We have one soy sauce right over here. It is super tiny. Do you see that? Do you see that? Fabulous. Sriracha sauce, right? Is that what that is, guys? You tell me. I don't know. A bowl of edamame right over here. What I love about the bowl is that this is textured. I don't know if you could tell on camera, but beautiful, 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 beautiful. Also love that like the green is not like one solid green. It looks like it's shade of green. Love it. Side of wasabi. I know it's this. Now with most of the little plate ones, they are on, most of the food on the plate is really what I should say, is stuck to the plate. So it doesn't come off. Oh, focus. There you go. Wasabi. I know that much. A plate of sushi over here. I mean shrimp. I'm telling you. It's like I'm reading off of the cardboard and not really paying attention. Horrible. Just horrible. One to-go container, which honestly, it is so tiny. What are you putting in there? They could have gone a little bigger with the to-go container. Just saying. One dumpling pile. It has to be this, and it's the only item of food that is loose. One empty plate, which I put the dumpling piles on. One pair of chopsticks right over here. They are stuck, glued together, which is great. They're so tiny, you don't really want to lose them. One bubble tea. Straw is very flexible. The bubbles are painted. It's purple. Don't know what flavor that would be. 3 sushi plates, which would be these 3 tiny ones. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, so these 2 would be the platter, and these are the actual plates. And then 1 conveyor belt. Yes, this. Now, here's the question. Does it move? Oop, almost drop a box. Thank God you're not seeing the behind the scenes of that. Now, does this move? It does not. Oh my God, it would have been so cool. Sorry, I just moved the camera. It would have been so cool if it moved. Why are my hands dirty? What did I touch? Boo! I mean, I shouldn't ask much from Five Below, right? At least they gave it to me. I must say this was the item I was most interested in, because it's such a rare item and not something you come across a lot. A miniature, out of frame. But yeah, it doesn't move. But I'm excited to kind of put it in my set and play with it. I know you're probably thinking, why would you do a barbecue and sushi? Well, you know, I'm a New Yorker. I feel like we mix a lot of food that probably should never be mixed together. Like, I feel like on one night out, you'll probably have like 3 different cultures just because you could and because they're probably in the same strip. So in the fantasy world of miniature, you can have both because why not? Okay? So let me go ahead and take everything off my table and go ahead and create the scene and show you how it would look like with 1/6 scale models using them.